Hey, I hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to share another nail tutorial video for these floral shell French nails. To get a similar look, the first thing you'll need is a set of French decals. Each decal will need to be cut out, and the transparent film covering it will need to be removed. Don't forget this last step, because if you do and dip it in water with the transparent film, it'll make the decal most likely unusable. Now it's time to start painting your nails with a base coat. Do this using thin layers, and don't forget to paint the free edge of the nail, which will make your manicure last much longer. For this next step, you'll need shell fragments. I'm using a set, but I've seen these sold individually as well. I'm using the pink to match the pink decals. Now, since many of the shell pieces are so big, you'll probably need to break them into smaller, more manageable ones like I'm doing here. Moving on, you'll now need water to apply the water decals, since while you've been doing all of this, most likely your base coat is dry. It only takes a minute or two for it to dry, really. You'll want to dip each decal into the water and hold it there for 15 to 30 seconds. Then you just slide it off from the paper backing. And then it's time to apply it to the nail. And here I am somewhat struggling to do that because it just refused to stick on. Once you've actually managed to get it on, you can slide it around the nail until you get it looking the way you want it to. For this next step, you'll need an orange wood stick, a paper towel or piece of fabric, and top coat. You'll want to paint the top coat over each nail, and remember to apply to the free edge of the nail. While it's still wet, you'll want to use the orange wood stick to scrape off whatever sides are hanging off the decal, as well as whatever is hanging off the free edge of your nail, wiping the excess on the paper towel. You'll need top coat for this final step as well. Basically, to apply the shells, just put a generous glob of top coat on the nail. Place a piece of shell onto this glob. And then cover it with another generous glob of top coat. And that's it for this set. I wanted something this time that doesn't require a lot of finger dexterity, since you probably noticed one hand is quite swollen due to a rain-related injury. for which my hands and various other body parts have determined that asphalt is not good for sliding on. In any case, thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video useful, and I'll see you in the next one. Be you, always. Bye!